Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like CashBeast. They see claims of easy money and instantly assume it must be real or completely fake. But here's the truth no one tells you. The reality usually sits somewhere in the middle, and understanding that difference saves you time and frustration. In this video, you'll get a clear, honest breakdown of the CashBeast app in 2026, how it supposedly works, what users actually experience, and whether it looks legit or like a scam. By the end, you'll know exactly what to watch out for before investing your time. Let's start with what CashBeast claims to be. It is typically promoted as a rewards or earning app where users complete tasks, watch ads, or play simple activities to earn points or cash rewards. Those points are then supposed to be converted into real money or gift cards. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest issue with apps like this is not whether they exist, but whether they reliably pay users. Many apps in this category operate on ad-based revenue, meaning they earn money when you watch ads, but they may not always provide consistent payouts in return. So what do users actually experience? Some users report small earnings that take a long time to build. Others mention hitting withdrawal thresholds only to face delays or additional conditions. And this is where most beginners get confused. But here's the problem. People see screenshots online showing high earnings and assume it represents normal results. In reality, those are often best-case scenarios, not average outcomes. For example, someone like Alex might spend hours completing tasks and still only earn a small balance over several days. Meanwhile, another user like Jake might never reach the minimum withdrawal limit because the earning rate is too slow. Now let's talk about withdrawal behavior. Apps like CashBeast often set minimum payout thresholds. That means you cannot cash out until you reach a certain amount. Even if you do reach it, approval and processing can vary depending on rules, region, and account activity. This is where it gets important. A legit app usually has clear payout systems, consistent user reports, and transparent support. A risky app often lacks clarity, changes conditions, or makes withdrawals difficult without explanation. So is CashBeast a scam? Based on common patterns in similar apps, it is not always a clear yes or no answer. It may function as a reward app, but the real question is whether it is worth your time. And for many users, the answer depends on expectations. If you are looking for fast or reliable income, apps like this will likely disappoint you. If you treat it as a casual activity with very small rewards, it may feel acceptable, but still limited. So the final takeaway is simple. CashBeast in 2026 does not look like a guaranteed earning platform. It behaves more like a low-reward task app with inconsistent value for most users. If you are considering it, go in with realistic expectations, not hype. That mindset alone will save you from disappointment. If this helped you understand it better, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews.